Guys, it looks like the train derailed at Adventure Bay. Oh my,
Oh dear.
that doesn't look good. That's right, we have to save it before it crashes. Let's go. Rubble, this looks like a job for you. Remove the rock with your crane and pull the train back on the tracks. Roger, Ryder. Consider it done. I almost got you. And now, away with you. Arrgh. And now it's your turn. Attach and pull. Great job, Rubble. You saved the train from crashing. I know, Ryder, and it wasn't that hard. Look, Rubble, the train is already driving again. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like, you can watch some more right here. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to this channel.